Okay, so here we're gonna do that traditional, I don't know what they call it, that they put on their heads. Yeah, that one. I'll find out what they call it. So I'm gonna be using this and what's the glue. So this is just to brush. Okay. So a quick show. Nyana. Okay, this is for basically. But what I like about this glue is it's gonna come off when it dries. You just peel it. And then you'll have your belt back again. Okay, just a little demonstration. Okay, take your cotton wool, rough it up, rough it up, rough it up, rough it up, rough it up. This is how I did Amo's beard here for the Christmas. I used a mask, face mask. Yeah. I think you get the idea, man, of what I'm making here, guys. Okay? Yes. Okay, I'll fix it up nice. I just want to show you fella a sneak peek of what I'm doing. So this is what I had to think I should notice, because I don't know where I was going to go buy that thing. Anyway, this is, there's something like this at the top, I think, yeah. And then pour some powder. Yeah, keep on I will achieve my goal. What force do I need to take? Try this one. I don't have a dark one. But you know what? Not today. I'll come with a plan. With a plan. The things we do for love. Your TikTok. Your content. So yeah. It's coming, guys. It's giving, ne? It's giving. Yeah, so I'm gonna continue. So I have another final on the music video, ne? Yes, that we're cooking. Right.